Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to sign up for Millennium Scholarship account. If you want to sign up and get started with Millennium Scholarship, then the process is quite easy. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser. Go to the URL box and type in nevadatreasurer.gov and search. Once you get to this official website for Nevada Treasurer, from the main homepage, go ahead and click on the College Savings Program and then click on the Governor Gwynn Millennium Scholarship Program option. Now, once you get to this page, click on the Register Now button, which should be available in the middle of the screen, and it'll then take you to this sign up page for Millennium Scholarship. Choose your date and time in order to attend to the webinar through Zoom, and then go ahead and enter your first name, last name, and an email address for yourself. After you are done with it, click on the register button. Once you've successfully registered, you will now need to go ahead and check the confirmation email sent to your email inbox. Open up a new tab and log into your email service provider. You will receive an email from Zoom. Go ahead and click it open and you should be able to see that you have successfully registered for Governor Gwynn Millennium Scholarship, and you can find the information about this in the webinar after joining into it. Click on the Join Webinar option and then follow through the instructions in order to sign up and register for Millennium Scholarship. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.